Hello everyone and welcome to the Begrepen.be channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to form the irregular verbs from 71 until 80. If you've missed the previous ones, you can just find all the other videos on this channel. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. May and might. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Mow, mowed, mown. Must and had to. Overtake, overtook, overtaken. And pay, paid, paid. We'll go over them a bit quicker. Make sure to practice with me. Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. May, might. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Mow, mowed, mown. Must, had to. Overtake, overtook, overtaken. And pay, paid, paid. That's 10 more irregular verbs you now know. Make sure to keep on practicing. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for our next Begrepen video.